starts now.
Good afternoon everyone. This is a case of hemorrhoids and eczema nearly for more than 20 years. Okay, she is a distant relation of me, and according to me she is irritable lady. So much distance, but my perception. Next. So she is 43 years old. Her migraine problem, hypothyroidism, nearly more than 20 years. All the symptoms of hypothyroidism, of swelling, tiredness, menstrual irregularities, cramps of legs, joint pain, everything is with her. Next. So now bleeding piles after delivery for nearly 13 years, operated 2 times and relapsed again. That's the time she came to me with pain. She gets weight, dryness of throat, palpitation, so much suffering during the pain. And black eczema in the hands and legs, it's aggravated when like the vim or washing powder touched. So she need to put gloves while washing or touching the water. Otherwise it will bleed and burn. She need to bite with the teeth. That much itching is in the eczema. She tried nearly more than 10 ointments from different doctors to ameliorate that. Daily she used to use that. Next. So I asked, in all this which affected you the most? He said hemorrhoids, because daily fear in the morning whether with this pain I can do something or not. It's very torture for me, very angry, irritation, suicidal thoughts, because how I will pass the stool, that much pain it is. I can't be free, it's torturing me daily. For migraine I can put painkiller, but for this what I can do? So yeah, every morning while entering the bathroom she feel I like being with murderer, straight delusion. So also she said, being with murderer, I asked, you see, it may be like a stabbing with knife, shivering in fear, palpitation, how to escape, that fear is in me. These all the symptoms come with the pain. She connected with the delusion herself. And also she said, I am ashamed that I have piles, no? She feel ashamed to say to anyone. Next. So I asked about the most stressful incident in life. She said, in first pregnancy, in the 5th month, the terms are not good with the husband, and she stayed in mom's house for 2 years. I don't like my husband, I hate him, and whenever my mother-in-law says a word even, I become so much irritable, not working, eating more during pregnancy, talking, it's like a torture for me. Whenever she is becoming irritable also, same time she is saying I have fear on seeing her. When I get palpitate, what is this contradiction? Irritable, also fear on seeing her. So I asked, what is the fear about? Not about irritable, what is the fear? So she said, when 4 daughter-in-laws chat in the kitchen, when she enters, I feel that there is devil or tiger coming with the energy, tiger coming near me. It will bite or scratch me. So on looking at the house even, I feel that the fear, like haunted house. So there is no freedom to talk, laugh, work as per my wish. How to escape from this torturous lady? So I asked what the devil will do. Nothing. On seeing the looks, hearing the voice itself is fearful with energyful voice. So I asked what freedom means. No one should criticize me. Even a single word. She will feel offended for trifles. Next. So I asked what is torture, because many times it came. So torture is like problem coming again and again, one or the other. I couldn't get relief for 20 years. Like delusion, locked in a room, scream at first with fear, sweating, but what I have to do? I have to accept it and do in this home with this complaint. This is malarial miasm of torture, harassment. So I asked stressful incident before marriage, because from childhood she is suffering from hypothyroidism, migraine. That's why the direct question I asked. So my brother fight with my mom and break things in home. So I had the fear when my brother will enter the home. He is also patient from violence family, coalescence. See the irritability of brother. So she every time she had the fear when he will enter, like same like mother-in-law fear. Also failed in 12th, and no one should question me. That is also feel offended, ashamed. So I am inside home for many years. 2 stresses in that. So I asked fear from childhood. Neighbor suicided, and that time hearing the news, trembling started, diarrhea, vomiting. From that day on seeing the darkness, I have fear. On seeing the window from some ghost or something, the same thing she said, coming and it will kill me. So she hugged the mother and sleep daily. Next. She will now after marriage, fear of lizard, and she called the husband or someone near. If the lizard is chased, only she will go to the kitchen, or she won't. Even she won't cook. Even till evening, if anyone is not there, she won't enter. So I asked, what is that? Why you won't, what it will do? She said, it is small, I know, but for me it's fear like seeing a crocodile. So that imagination, small thing, it's a big terror. So I asked, what do you do in free time? She said, I'll watch serials. So I asked, which scene impacted the most in that? So she said the serial name and said the heroine will win the villain and grow in life. So I asked, everything is fear. So I probed what's villain in general, what is mean by that? So he will be dark, gigantic. On seeing him itself we get shivering, sweat in fear. He can kill with knife or he even may rape. Also, if that can happen, who will take care of my children? So I asked what caring means, because mom is coming everywhere. So she said, she only will say I am right always. So she won't get offended. And whenever there is fear, she will hug me. So this is caring for this person. Okay, next. So analysis in these areas, hemorrhoids, mother-in-law, brothers, fear. So what is the perspective? Being with murderer, stabbing with knife, shivering, fearful, devil, tiger, scratching, biting, ghost, shadow, lizard looks like crocodile. This is not small fear, it's like terror, gigantic. So other reaction is anger, irritability, how to escape. Then torture, that is the mayasam, trembling in fear. Next. So subclass is fear and how to escape, flight situation, that is subclass 6, and sensitive to what others say, sensitive to everywhere. So plant kingdom, sensitive to violence, terror, murder, ghost, it's Solanaceae family, and panic, escape is rage, the anger is the active reaction of that, and the unfortunate stuck and time to time attack, cannot come out of this. This is torture in every physical area. Mother-in-law and her complaints also, it's attacking, panic, acute state, then it's some acute. So this is malaria. In repertory, she get migraine whenever after bathing, cold. She's in Bangalore, because of temperature, she won't bath for many days. But now, okay, that is capsicum. Rectal hemorrhoids, burning, skin eruptions, eczema, perspiration before stool, mind offended easily. Everything covers of capsicum. Solanaceae family, Mendelian mayasam. Then Metria medica, mind epilepsy, strong disposition to take everything in bad part, fly into rage, not anger, rage, even on account of harmless jest. This is what is from childhood till now. And nostalgia, being with mother, homesickness, we know it's capsicum, homesickness, being with mother. In boric, stool, burning, tenesmus, thirsty after stool, this is also covering. Next. So I give one dose. First, every symptoms increased for 2 weeks and gradually it started to decrease. Then hair fall, throat dryness because of the thyroid decreased 50%. Body swelling absent completely. In second follow, no headache, no pain during stool. Eczema thickness started to reduce. Third follow, in third month. Eczema in palm, toe, it disappeared, fading in finger now. Only once she had the headache. So this is that. Because of ointment, there is no bleeding or crack so severely well. First, now after 3 months, there only no cracking, no thickness, but the color changes alone now that she's only 3 months. No, till now, no single episode of pain during hemorrhoids or no bleeding episodes. So this is the case.